Job Manahan reports.
Walang ginawa kahit isang araw hindi nagtrabaho. Wala kang makita, puntahan ninyo, wala kayong makita kahit na ano. I'm not disappointed, I'm angry.
A furious President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. faced the media Wednesday morning after finding out that the Riverwall project in PL Village in Taliwag, Bulacan, supposedly marked as completed, has nothing to show for. Based on the documents from the DPWH, the 220-meter structure was supposed to begin last February. But when the President visited the area, there was no indication that construction has started, even though it was nearly fully paid. Documents show 2 payments were made for the project, first in March and the second one in June.
Ito ghost project talaga ito. Wala talagang ginawa kahit isa. Ni minsan. Pagkatapos, sinabi sa barangay, magpapatulong para ilalagay nila yung project. Tapos umakas din. Sinabi after a while, di na matutuloy. So, siguro nabayaran na. Kaya tumatas na.
The President vows to file graft charges against contractors and government officials involved in supposedly anomalous flood control projects.
Ang katakataka, hindi namin mahanap itong kontratang ito. So, hinahanap pa rin namin. Kaya hindi na namin malaman. Kasi siguro sinab-contract ng gusto. Siguro naka ilang layer ng subcontractor. Kaya hindi wala ng record. This is a perfect example of the abuse that is being done by some of these contractors.
According to the resident,